guys, this is Zoe Pot, Hope Comics, and
What'd you get today?
we got George, red guy.
Show them a little slower, that way they get to see it.
Who's this?
That's one of the Imperial Guard.
The Pure Guard.
They guard that big ugly dude.
The snow monster.
Soap, or whatever his name was. The guy that Rey and Kylo killed. They cut him in half with the lightsaber.
Yes, I know that one. It's this big snow monster.
Snow monster? Alright, well, what are you doing today?
We're showing our figures. Joey Balco!
Alright, don't be goofy now. Don't be goofy. Nobody wants to look up your nose, dude. Come on, sit the right way like I showed you. Who's he?
The Death Trooper.
Alright, what happened to the Death Trooper? He was in the fight and lost a foot. Injuries of war. Alright, how about this? What's this? Where'd you get that?
From my birthday party.
Yeah? Who got you that?
Gigi.
Say thank you, Gigi.
I already.
Well, you're going to show off your unboxing? Make sure they can see it.
Death Trooper again.
And he's going on what?
Oh, yeah.
What's he going on?
What's up? Death Trooper, Death Trooper.
Alright, now what are we going to do? What are we doing with him?
We're going to unbox him and put him on for me. For me.
Show them. You got a nice new shelf to go on. Alright, you're wiggling all over the place. Alright, this is the Death Trooper. Oh, right there. Alright, now watch. Hold on, turn around. Alright, that's the back of the box. Alright, you gonna get to open it?
Oh.
He's going on Kendrick's new shelf for Kendrick's wall.
No.
That we made. Alright. And we're gonna use
Whoa. Gotcha.
glue dots to keep them from tipping over.
I got it, Pop. Whoa, chicken.
Knock the camera over.
What?
Don't, no.
You know the monkey in the video? He just did all around and he pressed the button and he just faced at me. You know that guy? The monkey. Ooh. Pew, 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 pew.
Put it in the camera so they can see it.
Whoa. It's not a little good guy, but it's a glue guy. Oh my god, this is hard to take out. I got it, Pop.
You got it?
Wait a second. I know when I was playing with this guy, it was to this guy.
Yeah.
I got this. Watch out! So these are the different guns. Got a lucky guy. The special scar. I need to turn his head.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Wait. Whoa.
Let me see. Kendrick, let me see for a minute. Let's see. He's gonna go on here, something like that. Maybe with another one.
How
But
about
that's what we're going
how about this guy with the same
He's
trooper?
missing a foot.
How about him?
Got moved in action.
Look,
Yeah, right.
see.
Right.
Action star says we all fall down. Look, way backwards.
So Kendrick's
that's
going for a
good.
Star Wars room, right?
Yes.
Yep, you got books on the wall, you got posters on the wall.
There. I gotcha.
Who's this? And who's this?
The card of the troopers.
George. Alright, what are you gonna say?
Thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment. Bye-bye.
How about you say it the right way now? With that squeaky voice.
Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment. Bye.
Are you gonna hit that button?